Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to get underwater audio and an insane skin glow for your video on a Capcut. So here I already have the video, and the first thing that I would like to show you is adding the underwater audio. To add those audio, you just need to take a look on this button features here and just jump into the audio, and now you need to go into this sound FX right here. And now in the search button here, you just need to type underwater, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to find the underwater audios that you want to add. So here I already have one. Just add into your clip, and now you already got those underwater sound or audio. Okay, so for the next thing that I would like to do is showing to you the way how to add an insane skin glow effects for this video. So the thing that you need to do, go back into the first menu, and then you will see here an effects, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to jump into this body effects, and now in the search button you just need to type glow, and now go click search. And now you just need to click this body effects and find out which the glow type that you want to add into this video. And then for me, I already have one, which is the streamer stroke. Then just need to go click it. To make it has an insane glow, you just need to go click it again to adjust the intensity. If you want to make it intense, just drag this intensity into the right side. To make it more insane, go drag the size, make the size is quite bigger. And then as well as the range, you can also add the range. And then for the speed, I would like to make it slower. And here is the result. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click the random part and go click cancel. Go click this checklist button to apply it into our video. And now let's make sure that we apply this into the whole clip. And here is the result. So that's the way how to add underwater audio and an insane skin glow up with a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.